Hey everyone, welcome back. Logging in into the Walmart app is quick and simple. Start by opening the Walmart app on your mobile device and make sure that you're connected to a stable network. After that, on the home screen, tap Account or Sign In option. Then, enter your phone number or email. Also, make sure to enter the email address that is linked to your Walmart account. Then, enter your first name, then your last name. After that, enter your phone number and then create a password. Then you can either use the password that your phone recommends you or type in your own. Then click continue. After that, tap sign in and wait a few seconds while the app verifies your details. Once logged in, you'll be able to view your account information, orders, saved images, and payments methods. If you can't log in, double check your email and password or use the password reset option if needed, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.